Hi guys, thank you for clicking on the link. My name is Roman and I'm CEO of Eventee. Today we have great news. Eventee now supports Eventbrite. That means that all your attendees will ever need is just one simple mobile application, where they will be able to find digital agenda and many more cool features and their tickets. And now I'm going to show you how it works.
Welcome to Eventee dashboard. Just go to Settings, then Integration menu. From here, you have to turn on Eventbrite. Now you need to allow access Eventee to your Eventbrite account, so just click Allow. Choose the right event. As you can see, you can synchronize event information from Eventbrite, such as basic information like address and event logo. As you can see, all information has been synchronized from Eventbrite. And that's not everything. You can also synchronize list of attendees from Eventbrite. And that's a really cool feature, because from now on, all your attendees imported from Eventbrite will be able to find their tickets in Eventee application. You can see a list of them in menu/users as imported users from Eventbrite. And that's it. All you have to do now is publish your event and share it with your attendees. Once published, every attendee will receive email invitation. Inside the email there will be a magic link, which takes them directly to Google Play or the App Store. Once they are in the application, in top right corner they are able to find their Eventbrite ticket. And that's it. Now you can enjoy integration of Eventbrite with Eventee.